All right, here we go. Walking in. Walking into the half bath. Goes over here. They'll have a freestanding vanity. That way goes to the entry, laundry. So let's just go. We did special walnut. Added some vents. I believe there's no subfloor or crawl space over here, so that's why they stopped there. Just got done hanging all the doors. Looks good. Looks good. We added all the vents. Baseboard stayed in place. We sanded and then we taped up to them and stained. And then since it's water-based, we pull the tape and then we finish our coats without the tape. Tape will, water-based and tape don't peel very well. So if you get a thick spot, it could peel the finish once you're pulling the tape. We did the stairs. They wrap around. Oop. We added from here out, and then we added those two steps. It used to stop here, and then there was 3 foot wide steps going down to this big room. So she wanted the steps all the way. So that's what we did. That's what we did. Beautiful view today. I can see all the way across to Monterey. Let's see if we can see Pigeon Point. Well, that's Salinas. And if you look out that window, that's Pigeon Point. And there's the laundry room. There's the laundry room. They're going to do bench seating along the wall. And there's Pigeon Point way out there. Monterey Bay. All right, kitchen, waterfall. We had to tape all that. Make sure we didn't get any stain to bleed up on that. So it was a lot of laundry room. Everything there was nothing, it was a hard job. Everything looks good. Pump sanded well, stained well. Love the color. Color turned out really nice. I couldn't find one swirl. You can see, I don't know, if you get close, you can see some of the 120. Especially where I started with new paper, but you're gonna get that. So, it's beautiful. Gotta get down there. What's the best shot for this? I don't know. There's a lot going on this way. 2 rooms over here. Sewing room, office. And then as you come out, you've got nice big living room, all the way down the kitchen. And then over to the hall entry, and then back down to the laundry room. Turned out really nice. Stain in 3 coats trap. Well, I do stain, 2 coats of Mega 1. I get a really nice build, and then the final with traffic. So that's my system, guys. 2 coats of Mega 1. And then go to traffic. So I get a good build with that Mega 1, and then I go with a nice build with the traffic. So works out well. I like it. So, keeps my cost down a little bit. But what's nice about the Mega 1 is it buffs back really nice, and I can get a really smooth finish because we water pop for our stains. So every floor is different. This one didn't pop too bad, but anyway, so it knocks it back down, and we get a good even. Turned out really nice through there. That I don't see any edge or divots, and I like that. When the light comes in, I mean, the light is just crazy wicked on this floor. So, anyways, look at the edges, nice and smooth. No edge marks. So you just kind of, I don't know, pick and choose your areas that you know that are going to get a lot of focus, a lot of unforgiving light and stuff, and then just work on those areas and get those flat. And then you come into here, and you know these two rooms are really forgiving. You know, you want to make sure you sand well around the doors and don't get too many divots. I mean, you can see where we sanded down a little bit over there. You can see the edge or divots, but I mean, you're going to get that. You're not no way getting around that unless you hard plate, not even hard plate, but a Trio or Bona power drive next to the wall, you can get it pretty flat. But for edger, that's really good. But so you got two rooms here that you get a lot of forgiveness from, and you just have to pick them, you know. So I knew that through here, wanted to make sure that everything was good along the nosing, and then I wanted to make sure, so the light's going to come down that way once that screen is opened, and then right here. So you're going to get a lot right here. So I wanted to make sure. So, you know, you keep their eyes away from it, and it works out. So anyways, take pride in your work. Pays off in the end. All right, guys, that's my Monday.